What up, YouTube? It's me again, your guy, Load Jockey. I'm taking a 30-minute break right now, as everybody must. You know, that's what the government says. But while I'm on my break, I will get back onto the Robinhood app and see what happened. I think one of the trades that I did, it automatically executed a sale. So I took profit off of that. But anyway, again, I'm just an amateur investor, and I'm just trying to encourage people to look at different ways and different options of getting some passive income, letting your money work for you. But anyway, this is pretty much episode 2 of the Robinhood side hustle, and let's take a look at my trade and see what we got. I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, so I'm on my trading screen right here. So it looked like we dropped about $7 from yesterday. Not too bad, not too good. But here, I told you, I put in a trade. That's a little messy. I put in a trade here, and you can see, as underlined, that I sold 2 shares of LB for a total of $65. And those funds will be available on November 29th. So gotta wait a couple of days for everything to clear up. So again, that sold. It sold for $65, and I think I had it to sell at $32.50. Let's look at the rest of my stocks. Got a lot of things going down. I'm gonna look at Ford here. You know how I like about Ford. It dropped just slightly from yesterday. It was at $9.50. I'm not going to rush in and buy another share because it's not like it's some kind of sale going on. So we'll take a chill pill on that. We had a Campbell soup trade. It's up about 0.25% since yesterday. And I'm down on that one. 99 cents. So I'm about at a 1.25% loss, and it's moving. So just like I did on that LB, I'll probably come up with a price that I would like to sell it at automatic, so I don't have to sit here and watch the app all the time and worry about it. So I want to make a sale. So what we're going to do is, the average cost that I bought it was $39.65. So obviously you're not going to sell it for less than $39.65 to make any kind of profit. And you see we're not at $39.65. But this one I think is going to take a while. So what I'm going to do is put in a trade. I'm going to put in a sell. You got to go to order type. At the top, if you look, you see this is a market sale. So if I press the button right now, it's going to sell it for this price, $39.14. That will be a loss. So we don't want to do that. So I'm on my 30-minute break. What I'm going to do is do a limit. All right. So it was $39.65, the price I bought it. I'm not going to be greedy, but I'll go with, oh, it's at $39.15 right now. I'll go with 40. And people think in terms of 10s, 20s. So like 40, 25 would be a psychological threshold where, you know, people would sell. So we're gonna go for 40.25. That'd be a little profit. And we want my order to execute at any time. You see, you got the different time frames. Like if you want that order to be canceled by the end of the day or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with market hours only. All right. So we're just going to go until the end of today. So it'll force it to close. Well, never mind. I'm going to go to good till canceled, so I don't have to sit here and watch this thing. If I see some movement tomorrow, I can change that. I'm going to go to never expires. All right. So Campbell's soup, we only got 2 shares available. See it there? 2 shares. And what we're going to do is select 2. We're going to sell 2. There it is at the top. And if it goes through at 40.25, we'll get a return of $80.50. We're going to go ahead and push that through. There it is. That's going. So I don't have to sit here. Okay, it's done. So here's the screen they show you. Here's the part I like. There is no commission for this. Some of these other trading platforms, the big ones, Scott Trade and TD Ameritrade, they got commissions for getting in and out of the trade. Robinhood, you got none. Anyway, it's self-explanatory. We're going to say we're done. All right. So Campbell's Soup is moving. It's going up, you know. It's at 39.17. So it's up a little bit. And let me see if I can go to the LB. I think it's still on my watch list. So here's the LB brands. It's at 32.39. Look at the price in which today's high. It's 32.50. That's the high of today. I happen to have a sale at 32.50 in place. So when it got to 32.50, boom, it sold, and I got the profits from that. Almost 10% on the money that I had in it. So it's pretty much a ceiling up here. Every time it gets up here, it falls back down. So it might take a few days for people to get more confidence in that brand. But other than that, guys, as you can see, my buying power is at $77.09. What I'm going to do is probably wait until November the 29th. At that time, I'll have a deposit that's going to come. Also, I will have this $65 is going to come in there that I made off of that trade. I'll wait for that to kick in place before I continue. Now I'm just looking through the news. Yeah, you see Warner? Yeah, I'm looking at Warner. I'm looking at things like truck driving companies. I know we talk a lot about Swift, Warner, J.B. Hunt, but they're on the stock market and they pay dividends. If you buy a piece of that, you can own Swift, J.B. Hunt, and you'll see them in a different light when you own a part of the company. You don't want nothing to happen. So every time you see a Swift driver, you'll be hoping that guy has a great day. But anyway, that's just a look at what's going on. Again, as a whole, I probably lost about $7 since yesterday, but the market's gonna move up and down. I'm pretty much like a short swing trader, which means I'll buy something at a good deal and sell it within a few days, or I'll buy things like Ford and wait for dividends to kick in. And let's look at Ford before we go. Nothing pretty much. It's kind of holding this ground. But if I see anything going down towards this $9.03 mark between now and November 29th, I'm trying not to make any trades, but I'll be peeping. I see anything fall below that, I'm buying. I won't show that, but I'm buying. Anyway, I don't want to drag out the video any longer than what it is. Remember, you can subscribe to the channel, like it, give me some thoughts, give me some stocks that you'd like to see me investigate. You know, Robinhood is not the best for looking up things as far as a stock is concerned, so that's why I say do your due diligence during the off times, after, you know, before you go into the sleeper berth. You can research those type of things and check it out. So anyway, that's the time for me. I'm gone. I gotta get back to work. Goodbye.